Guys, so what's for dinner tonight? Well, I'm going to be making these tortillas into little mini pizzas. And I have some sauce. Those are the Mama Lupas. I have a little bit of Zerto cheese. I'm using the Saputo Light Mozzarella. So for 30 grams is 2 Smart Points, a few olives, some pineapple, and some chicken with some barbecue sauce. And that is going to be my dinner with some green beans. So I take a tablespoon of my sauce. I'm going to put some on here and some on here. And I'm just going to spread it out. I'll just do one to show you. Just going to add a little bit more sauce. And I also love a little bit of extra barbecue sauce on it. It gives great flavor, especially when you're using barbecue chicken. And then just blend that in. Add the cheese. If you like lots of cheese, you can add more cheese. I'm putting a little bit of the Zerto on too, because for a tablespoon is 0 Smart Points. And then I'm just going to add some of my chicken meat. I usually put lots of vegetables on, but I'm kind of tired tonight. So I'm just putting some olives and some pineapple for a very fast, quick dinner. I'm going to stick it in the oven for probably about 10 minutes. And I'm going to have this amazing meal for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Smart Points, because for a tablespoon of the olives. And that's it. That's all you're counting is the tortillas, the cheese, the olives. And if you're on freestyle, you don't have to count the chicken. But if you're not, the chicken, I think, is maybe 1 or 2 Smart Points. Depends how much you put in. And that's it. That's for dinner.